Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply complex numbers, all right? Binomial with binomial, all right? And this is almost similar to regular binomials times binomials, just the number I is just going to throw you off a little somewhere down the road. So let's go. We're going to double distribute. So we're going to take this 2 right here. I'm going to give it to the other parentheses. I'm going to distribute it here, all right? I'm going to multiply. 2 times 4, that'll give me 8, all right? Then I have to distribute the same 2 to the second term in the second parentheses. So I'll have 2 times -2, that'll give me -4. And then the 2 brings an I, so I just attach the I there. Once I'm done with this 2, I like to cross it out just so that I don't see it. Less room for error, all right? Then I have to distribute the positive 3i to this parentheses as well. So 3 times 4, well, that'll give me a positive 12. This 3 brings an I. So I'm going to attach it there. All right, and last but not least, 3 times -2 will give me -6. I times I, remember law of exponents say with the same base, we have to add the exponents. So 1 plus 1, that'll give me 2. All right, now, first thing here, if you notice, we can combine like terms here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to bring down the 8, -4 plus 12, positive 8 with the I. Okay, now I'm going to show you something here. Remember from the powers of I video that this is equivalent to -1. All right, very tricky. Must remember that I squared is -1. Okay, now with order of operations, I have to multiply these two, making this 8 plus 8i, -6 times -1 will turn it into a positive 6. Okay. Not done yet either. If you notice here, now we can combine the real numbers, 8 and 6. I'm just going to go up here just to continue. 8 plus 6, well, that'll give me an answer of 14, okay? Then I still have positive 8i. And remember, guys, that this is in the form a plus bi, okay? So this would be my final answer. All right? Okay. Let's look at another problem. All right. Over here we have quantity -1 minus 3i squared. Actually, reverse that, -1 minus 3i quantity squared. All right. Switch up the colors. Now, remember that this guy here, your exponent 2, tells you how many times to rewrite this quantity. So, I'm going to write it 1 time. I'm going to write it a second time. All right, now it becomes a double distribution problem. Let's go ahead. Let's take the -1 here and distribute it. -1 times -1, well, that'll give me a positive 1. All right, -1 times -3, that'll give me a positive 3i. Remember that the I is there. Once I'm done, I like to get rid of the first guy. All right, now I'm going to start distributing this -3i on over. -3 times -1, positive 3i, and then -3 times -3, that'll give me a positive 9. Then I times I, don't forget those i's, I squared. Okay, I can combine like terms in the middle. All right, I'll drop the 1, 3 plus 3, positive 6. Don't forget that that brings an I. This right here, remember that I squared turns into a -1. 9 times -1 will give me a -9. Very important. Okay, and last step, combine the real numbers. 1, -9. -9 plus 1 will give me a -8. Then I simply drop the positive 6i. And yes, this is an a plus bi form. This will be my final answer. Thanks, guys, for watching. Till next video.